Okay, so I am going to show you how to use Netflix. So I go to Safari to get mine. So I go on Netflix. I have it pre-saved. I share my account with my family. So I have my brother. No, this is my mom's account. It's mine, my sisters, and my grandpa, and my brother. So we're on my account, and it's a family account. There's a monthly fee. It's a good account to get. There's lots of categories. There's trending shows they could zoom into. There's comedies, dramas. Netflix has recently been showing a lot of interest in making their own productions or whatever. It would give you recommendations as well. But yeah, there's lots of sections, like categories. Award-winning, Coco, highly recommend. But yeah, you could go up here, go to TV shows, movies, and like recently added. You can also manage your profiles by going here and change your name or whatever. There's also different levels, so you could go to kids, older kids, teens, and all maturity levels. So we could go to kids. If we go back over here, done. Okay, it's not working. Okay, there we go. But you can go to kids by searching like kids movies, and all these movies will come up. I have recently been watching random movies I find on Netflix. Like, I like going in the popular section and picking out some. I really like the show Shameless. It was a really good show. I like watching this movie. I haven't finished it yet, but it's just a whole bunch of pranks. They're funny. The Office, always a good random show to watch. But yeah, this is also one of my dad's favorite movies. But yeah, these comedies are pretty good. The Waterboy, I saw that over there. They add movies a lot, which is good. But yeah, I really like the Netflix shows as well. Orange is the New Black is a really popular one. What's another popular one? Oh, the movie Kissing Booth. A lot of teenagers like that. But yeah, that was my favorite website.